injere ko batumira kenda factory yathukana yes batu twakarito ko werwa muno kenda factory yathukana lakini no mwanga kobwe twatwo kwathukana tutetia factory era ina regembe ya ICU no tobo kwa bombere tore access yomwe factory yekego yekire 1% factory egembe murimi ono ere 1%.
Chairman yakwariria manto yunkwenda kwaria ini about ithimi bila bikuthima mani bandeni and then yamenyekana nationally ari mi bethire to bakioma mutoni thimu mwanka bakende to apaginya to an extent of kwenda kuyukia mayau. Chairman yariria I'm very grateful for him lakini bete serious na yo kenda ari mi batekarie bakethetana no tubi mwaka uyu nthe kuthete kuna commotion about ithimi na ari mi bena ndauti yabio ibakwana yaka kwa uporo in one way or the other na nkuthiria.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, kiwande ni kia majani ya Kiegoi Kandhiari, wandi ni ya Kiegoi Antobochio, Igembe South, County ya Meru.
Hatongeria ba kaunti ya Embu batongeretwe ni Speaker Josiah Ithatu ni batariritie kureka kunganirwa ni kugitwa kwa mbeca iria ciumaga kiri thirikari nene na kunenkanirwa kiri thirikari cia matura bariuga untu bubu bukaremia imwe ya mibango ya weti na mbere barite kiri mambura jayewa bya mizani na aria mbunge ya kaunti Embu yonere namba 2 kiri mbunge iria ciithiritwe ikirita ngugi ciao bubwega.
Atongeria baba county assembly ni ya Embu batongeretwe ni Speaker assembly no Josiah Ithatu bale ala hotelini mwa mji wa Nairobi nyume kwa mukila kiaga kambuni ya mizani Afrika gekwithurire county assembly ya Jere kiri rutingo gibwega kulingana na Speaker Ithatu muga wa kigina ule abunge na maseneta betikaniretie wa bilioni 347 ukangalatani weti na mbere bwa miradi ila thirikari ja county banganitie. Speaker Ithatu akiuga wirigiro bwa ali bilioni 400 Ithatu akiuga thirikari ja county ikarazibika utejani na miradi imwe ila ilale mbanganie.
Counties ni iravotire guta 13 million from 400 billion to 387 billion. Ogune kona ni ati budget yetu ne gutinua na iratinua wariria twavotete kuvitukia budget yetu ciena 400 billion. Ogune kona ni tugucoka ringi kunyivanyithia maendeleo maria tukavota gwika mwaka uyu they know budget yetu cia counties and of course tutiaganiru.
Speaker jua county ni ya Embu akiuga thirikari ja county kwa meli tukiteni jithiri tujina thina nyingi kuma na uselo wa kigina kuma kithirikari nene ontu bula bwithiri tubukiangaratani rutingoge ile mona guserera kwa misare ya rutingoge ba thirikari no ja county
ginyagu turaria nawe to December besha ile twetererete kugwata ni besha cia October besha cia September turagwatira last week. Koguo ugu ni kuona ni ati counties ni iraruta wira na thina muno tondu tutikorete twina mbeca mwivoko wetu ni ati thirikari nene ni gukorwo kirekereria mbeca uria kuvatie niguo riu tuvote kuthii na venya uria tungivota gutwarira wananchi etu maendeleo.
Kuna ina mathina mau mothe maikuo mambia na ndui tuvotete kwa tukiruta wira wetu uria kwagiririte na tutakumaka niguo.
Na kagita kare mwanku wa gisiasa nterija kiri marodite na mbere wankano bula ntuko ikuthi ukijanagia na kwebo kola le munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua Ithatu na tongole baba bali gobota assembly ya Embu bali nyuma ya munini wa Rais Mujeru Kithure Kindiki na niba ulite Rigathi Gachagua gwetekire gitegeki na mutongori ongio Mujeru na gutiga kwerekire mali mithuku kagita wa kagita kiri Rais wa ndeno William Ruto.
Ndu cia mauti Kenya ni gite kiaumire kirima giki githii kirima mwena wingi na gite kiu kiathii kirima mwena wingi andu a kirima kia mwena ucio ni mabatie gusupport kirima giki kingi na nikio turauga the deputy president currently Professor Kithure Kindiki tunampatia support ya kutosha ili aweze kudeliver kana vote kurutira andu wira uria utomete akora giteriki tondu andu mayengi muno aria mangionirwe no keno ndo akuonekana wira wake uria rutete thini wa interior wira mwega no akio onekania no avote giteki
twite tatongoria Embu county nengiuga na kithungu we are focused tutararoria siasa muno turaroria wira uria tuvetwe ni mwananchi tumurutire india siasa kinya ni tukavura siasa na ndigwiciria ati political temperatures ugucie guru thiini wa Mount Kenya ati igatuma tukarute wira ni tukurutira mwananchi wira india siasa kinya ni tukaivura
kuri former deputy president ni kumwira gitiki maguru na gitiki nduki maguru ni giceraga no agigucerere na gicoke kithie riku ai nakio na niko kiathiere koguo ni akorwo aina thayo no akorwo kwa muthenya wingi gikamucerera koguo ni atigana na kiu tondu kiu ni kiathiere na guti undu ungioneka ugacoka kiria kina bata ni aongithania agwatithania andu othe amautikanya tukora twi kindu kimwe nigetha tugikia kura even 2027 tugaikia kura turi raini imwe tandu wa Mount Kenya no angerete mugawanyi kwa kugaya kirema mweno na kirema mweno wingi then wanathi no twigwe twimbi trained na twicirio wanathi no tuvuti kura cietu ta kirema mweno wingi koguo natiga kugania andu
kuma muji munene wa Nairobi mbita Anthony Rangi wa Kathenya.
Rais Ruto ni akinyite kirima mburaja gwikirwa nthumbi kiria aritwa 1270 na banakirirwa ngirwa kurikithia mawatho ja umenyeri bwa nyomo cia kithaka. Akiaria rais na ugite thirikari ni guciumia kuringa njeki rwangiru rukenda rumba kwirungamira.
This passing out parade has the highest percentage of ladies ever in the history of Kenya's ranger recruitment. For the record, our aim is to bring on board as many young women to the wildlife conservation space as possible, given that by nature, women are born and wired to nurture and to groom.
Among them, Your Excellency, are young recruits who are just 18, 19, and 20 years old. And we are praying that with God's blessing, they will serve the wildlife sector and landscapes for the next 40 and 42 years.
Our steadfast commitment to anti-poaching efforts has yielded remarkable success, breathing new life into species once on the brink of extinction. In 2020, Kenya recorded 0 rhino poaching cases, a landmark achievement after years of battling corrupt and vicious criminal syndicates. Today, Kenya proudly boasts of Africa's third largest rhino population with 2,004 rhinos and the 4th largest elephant population with 37,000 elephants. These figures are not just statistics. They are a testament to hope, hard work, and the collective action in safeguarding our natural heritage.
Bunge FC ni chindi kiri muchetho jwa kwithuranira kiri nkindano ya East Africa muchetho jura jwirigiri kuthakirwa kienine kia Ulinzi Sports mucine jwa Nairobi. Akiaria Captain Otiendo Amolo uria ni mubunge wa Rarienda ugite abunge ni bakwithuranira kuretera Kenya uchindi.
The team is exclusively members because the rules were changed. So only MPs play the game. There is no staff component that plays. And as I think by now people are aware, this year's games are being held in Mombasa, Kenya. So as the hosts, we are determined not just to play well, but we are determined to win and we are determined to lift the cup.
Most of our colleagues are very fit, unlike in previous years. We only have lost a few to injury, a few crucial players like Mheshimiwa Dan Wanyama and David Ochieng, who are normally in our starting 11, but unfortunately, due to injury, will not be playing for us. But we have very suitable replacement in new members that have come in and have fit into that space quite well. So I think we are ready. I look forward to very interesting games beginning this weekend. I am confident that we will lift the trophy this year.
These games, the theme is to widen and deepen integration. So when members of parliament interact as members of parliament, it enhances integration of the communities in the 8 countries that are members of the East African community. That's why these games are important. And indeed, we've seen that the interaction enhances understanding and unity.
It's extremely important because you get to interact with members from all the member states of the EAC. These are key policy makers back in their home countries. Off the field, there are many things that you discuss. They learn about our country, we learn about theirs. You interact with people, some of them are ministers or high-ranking government officials, people that actually hold the wheels of power. And therefore, as you interact, you can share ideas, they share some of the challenges. There are many things that easily get unlocked.
Nkatho cha mwanyi kugwatanira na bautwikiri nteto chetu Weru Thaa Ithatu tuchemani rujurukiri ndeni ya mubango jwa kugukia. Beta MAUREEN KINYA mwona nweto mathithio ni